Impaired does not disable. The barrier does. Sympathy is not the panacea, but empathy. To my subscribers and viewers, I'd like to say a very big thank you for your encouragement, for always taking out time to watch and showing me your support. And if it's your first time on this channel, my name is Olubunmi, your friend and your host. In today's video, I like to talk about some of the things I do. Once in a while, I always come and talk about some of the things I do. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about such. As an advocate of healthy eating, I like natural things. I like to go organic. I don't like artificial additives and all the likes. So, conscious of what goes into my stomach, and that is what I advocate for. That part of what I advocate for, and I discuss this with a whole lot of people. So, what is healthy eating? Let's talk about the healthy eating part. It's as simple as healthy eating is just being conscious of what you put in your mouth or what goes in. That's just the simple interpretation I can give it. So I'm going to be showing you some products produced by myself as a visually impaired woman. It sounds interesting. I'm sure some people wondering, what are those products? How does she make it? Don't worry. Let's just delve into today's topic. So I'm going to be showing you some spices that I produced for myself. I'm going to be showing you one of my cereal that I also produced, and I'm going to be telling you some of the processes that I went through to be able to produce these products. And most importantly, talking about the food sanity, because I know that's what will be crossing some people's mind. That how will it come out clean? How will it? Don't worry. So firstly, I'm going to be talking about my cereal. This is the cereal I produced and I packaged myself. It is called Nature Blend Breakfast Cereal. It's a combination of grains, fruits, nuts, seeds, and a whole lot, just to give you a healthy, complete breakfast. So I also have this spice. It's a multi-purpose spice seasoning for your chicken. You want to boil your chicken, you want to boil your meat, you want to marinate, you want to cook your stew, your jollof rice, your moi moi. It is multi-purpose, all crafted by myself and produced by me. Then I also have this other spice here. The first spice I showed you, it's multi-purpose. So there are some ingredients in that other spice that we cannot use in our local soup. So this particular one I'm showing you is for our local soup like oha, bitter leaf, edikus, edikaikon, afang, ofaku, pepper soup, ilalasepo, ẹ̀fọ́ rírò, ọ̀fadà. This particular spice will go for all those kind of soups. Now, talking about the food sanity, I'm sure a whole lot of you are wondering. Yes, you are seeing what is in the bottle, you are seeing the name, but you are thinking in your head, thinking about the food safety and the food sanity. So with all the ingredients I use are all sourced locally, so nothing is imported here. All of them are sourced in our Nigerian market. That's where we got all these ingredients from. So from the market, we bring them to the house. I had to employ someone to support with the cleaning and all the rest. And not just the cleaning alone. No, most of these ingredients, we even take them back to the water to clean, to re-clean. As those things they be now. You get some of these spices in the market, they come very, very dirty, right? So we have to clean and ensure that it is safe. I have to ensure the sanity of the food. And I also have a food dehydrator machine where I can take it back and then dry it, take it back to its dry form, before I can now blend. And I also have a safe grinder that is food safe. I'll call it food safe because it's not plastic, it's not iron. So you can see that everything about food sanity is ensured in this product. So for me, I eat it. This is what I eat. So for some of you that are also willing to do away with artificial seasoning and all the rest, if you are interested, you can reach out to me. We can get talking. And for some of you that really want to know more, you can reach out to me through this number 08086412201. I purposely decided to read out the number because of my visually impaired viewers, because some people have some people have really attacked me that why do you talk about the description field? Don't you know some people are visually impaired are watching? So some people have called me, most especially people in the diaspora, and I've apologized for that. So I read it once again. 08086412201. WhatsApp only. The number is also on the description field. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get to see my new videos. Also, feel free to put your comment in the comment section. Till I come your way again, I remain your friend and your host, Olubunmi. Bye.